excited today kasi dati, bata pa lang ako, palagi na akong abay sa kasal. Sa mga tito, tita ko, ninong, ninang, sa mga pinsan ko. And naalala ko din, I always have this question in my mind. Paano kaya nalalaman ng mga taong nagpapakasal na tama yung taong pinakakasalan nila? That time na sinagot kita sa Greenbelt Chapel, I'm not sure if ikaw na. Pero sabi ko kay Lord, Lord, pinakikilala ko po siya sa inyo. Hindi po ako sure kung siya na, pero kayo na po ang bahala. That's exactly my prayer at that moment.
Sa halos 8 bilyong tao sa mundo, kami ang pinagtagpo mo. Napakapalad ko sa babaeng ito. Nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, I know God answered my prayer. You are the one I prayed for.
I'll be the light. Look at the horizon that was far away yesterday. Even if the colors start to fade away, I will stay.
Okay ba?
Even when we find we've lost our way, I know you don't wanna feel when it all starts caving. I'll be the light. I'll be the light.
I'm so happy for you. Finally, dumating na yung pinakahihintay mo. And I know na masaya ka. And, you know, I'm always here for you. So, kung mayroon kang gustong i-share sa akin, anytime my lines are open. And ganun din ako for you. So, I love you, May, and congratulations. We are happy for you. Congrats again.
Holding out my hand, throwing you a line. You could turn me down, but I hope you let me try to be all I am. I'm a makeshift man, yes I am. And if you're lonesome, I can be a friend. And if you're broken, I'll fix you up again. I wouldn't let you down. I'm gonna go all out for you. I'm gonna give, I'm gonna give, I'm gonna give, I'm gonna give you all I got. I'm gonna give, I'm gonna give, I'm gonna give you all I got. You all I got. I'm gonna give, I'm gonna give, I'm gonna give you all I got.
Aldrin and May, join your hands together. Look at each other's eyes.
Ganda naman.
Yung pinakamatamis na tingin. May, Do you take Aldrin here present as your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
And now, Aldrin, do you take May here present as your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
We could see where the road will
Alam nyo, ang ganda-ganda ng flow ng marriage. Kanina, mapapansin ninyo, magkahiwalay kayong pumasok sa pintuan na yon. Nauna si Aldrin,
sun coming up. You make my world come alive.
My love, thank you for being my calm during my moody days. Thank you for being my pahinga kapag pagod na ako. Thank you for being with me for every best and worst days since the day we met. My love, pinapangako ko sa'yo, simula sa araw na to, iisa na tayo. I promise not just to love you forever, but also to be with you sa lahat ng oras na kailangan mo ko. I will be your good morning and good night every day for the rest of your life.
tapos pumasok si May.
It felt like a feather up in the clouds.
Nakita ko kanina, after mo humalik at magmano sa parents mo, May, tinakluban ka nila ng belo habang papalapit kayo kay Aldrin.
It felt like the bird,
And then, nung mag-meet na yung dalawang parents,
sweetheart,
nagpaalaman na kayo.
like I
Kaya pagkakita ko sa'yo for the first time in a wedding gown kanina, doon ko nasabi sa sarili ko na, salamat Lord, sa halos 8 bilyong tao sa mundo, kami ang pinagtagpo mo. Napakapalad ko sa babaeng ito. Nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, I know God answered my prayer. You're the one I prayed for. Love, mahal na mahal kita. Salamat sa mga taon ng pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Salamat sa walang sawang pag-unawa. Salamat sa pagmamahal at pagtsatsaga, sa pagsasakripisyo. Sa mga dawns ng buhay ko, andyan ka pa rin. Di mo ako iniwan.
As you begin your journey as husband and wife, it should begin with love. Because love will be your guiding light every day.
I love you so much. Let's enjoy this day together along with our dearest family and friends. I can't wait to spend my lifetime with you, mahal na mahal kita.
Tapos na.
Nana.